Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussed to Laravel 11 full course, and this part is 18 store compose email send in this database part 2. Let's start this video. First of all, my Jump server already started Apache and MySQL, and this my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's this already working localhost PSP my admin. Click this database name. Inside this 9 table is available. Let's click this last table is a user table, and this my project is available. This my project already inside this available Jump folder. Inside this htdoc folder this project is available. Let's my directory inside this open this command from this project inside PSP artisan server and enter. Successfully working. This URL is a copy and hit this my Firefox browser. Successfully working. Let's admin login. This login screen is available. Let's admin@gmail.com. This Gmail account. This admin@gmail.com. Password 12345678 and click this and don't save. Successfully this is a available dashboard. Let's click this email inside this compose. This compose is successfully available. Let's inside this table inside this admin already login this role. Let's this email will show this agent and user email is inside this show. Let's step by step show this email. First of all, this URL is a copy and web.php open, and this available save file, and this open copy this email controller. This email controller is available. This email controller is available. This function is available, and this available user table. This model is a user model. This user model same is a copy, and this include use app model, and this model is a paste here. Successfully paste user model. Let's $data get email is equal to this copy same name is a where email is equal to only all email is a get, not a and all email is a get. Otherwise this only array and this 2 email id is a get. This email id is a 2 email id is a only role wise is a this agent. Second is a name is a user name. This name is a user name. This name is a agent and user get, and close this. Successfully available. This condition is a name is a role name. This role inside this 2 name is a set. This agent and this user name is a get. Let's $data copy this and inside this paste here. Save file. Let's copy this name and this file open admin email compose resource view admin email and compose. This file is successfully open. Inside this available. Let's forest loop is a start. Let's this forest loop and $variable. This variable is same is a copy, and this already passed copy is $value, and this forest forest end option value, in this only email email id is a set, otherwise user id is a set. Let's $value id, and this inside this email is a show this value inside this email, this email name. First is id set, second is a email set. Copy same name is a copy and paste here, save file. Let's this inside this select email, and value is a null, not use null. Save file. Let's refresh this page. Refresh this page. This is a syntax error. The syntax error, let's check this syntax error. Let's check inside this syntax error is a show. Please wait, syntax error is a show. Let's syntax error is a change. Let's syntax error. Let's comment this code. Comment inside this code is a paste here. This where is a role, agent and user. This different on this condition is a change. This save file and refresh this page. Successfully show. This is email show agent user. This name is a change. Only not available. This first email is not available. This admin email is not available. All email is available. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This admin not available. This agent is available. Agent user is available. This good working. This select, and inside this email in the subset, inside this description, this message email is a sent successfully. This is a working fine. This condition inside this email change this select email agent and user. Save file and refresh this page. This successfully sent email select email this agent and user. This is the email is available. Let's inside this select, let's underscore this name is a set, this role is a select role. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully available. This agent email, this user email, this user agent. This is a role wise is a show. Good working. This agent email, this agent at the gmail.com agent. This is a agent email. This agent inside this agent. This user inside this user. Successfully show. This all name is a show inside this last name show. Let's successfully set. Let's this URL is already available. Previous video this URL inside this URL is available, and this inside this set. Let's refresh this page and click this. This ID is a user ID is a 3 number ID is available. This user email select. This user email is a select, and this ID is a 3 ID. Let's 3 ID show is a show. This 3 ID. CC any emails. CC gmail.com pass subject text and description text and send. Successfully available. This email is a 3 number ID, CC, subject and description. Good working. Let's new database is a create compose email. This new table is a create new table. Click this new. Inside this new create. Click this new compose email. And first of all this ID. Second is a user ID. Third is available this CC email. This subject. And let's create other field descriptions. And this created date and update date. Successfully all set this varchar. This description is a text, and date and time. Date and time, select date and time. Null, 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 and all is a null is a set. 11, same is a copy paste, 2 5 copy and paste, and this null null. And primary auto increment, go button, click this AL means auto increment, select AL. Please writing this all compose email and save. Successfully table is a create. This compose email table is a create. Click this compose email. Compose email, click this. Inside this compose email is available. Let's click this structure. Inside this user ID, inside this available, this name is a email. Less email is a name sense. This name is a not a good. Less name sense. First of all, this open. Inside this email sense, inside this name is a successfully set. This user ID is a set. Otherwise, email is a good as it is working fine. This email is a successfully as it is. This good. This email is a successfully as it is. Let's open this new model, create compose model. This compose email model is a create model. Inside this new model, create compose model, model PSP email and compose model. Successfully create. This file is a compose model is a blank. Let's inside this include. Successfully compose model is a created. This please writing this compose model inside this created this file. Please writing this file inside this name is a compose email model. This table is a implementation. This table is a implementation successfully. Let's copy this name inside this include, use app model, and this paste here. Successfully include. This model is a include. Let's comment this, not use comment, and this $save is equal to new and paste here compose. First of all, this save. This user ID is a set. This user ID is equal to this user ID set. Let's user ID. Same name is a copy user ID, save file. Let's copy this name user ID and inside this $request user ID, save. Next is a save, paste here, paste and paste. Second name is available. The second name is this name is a sense user ID. This cc email and this trim function trim function is a set. And this next is available. This subject. Same here, copy subject, this string, save file. Last is available descriptions. This description name is our description, and trim, and last is a close. This please writing this all, and this last $save and save. Successfully save this user name. All good. Save file, and this inside this admin control open. Inside this available this return redirect. Same here, copy and paste here, paste, and this name is a sense. This name is available email compose. This same paste here. Successfully email successfully send. save file. Successfully email send. Let's this mail is a success message include this compose this blade file inside this message include. Let's include this back button, click this and refresh this page, and inside this message is implementation. Let's first of all this message is implementation. Inside this message include the same here, copy and paste here. Successfully include this message. This composition file inside this message, this underscore message file inside this available success message. This message is include, and successfully set this user ID, this CC email, subject and description send, and this successfully model is a create and this create, and please writing this command, this not use remove, save file, and this is this username CC subject in this database field name is all successfully set. Let's refresh this page, and this database is refresh. Click this browser. Inside this blank is available. This select this user is a 3 number, CC name is a gmail.com, subject is a math, and description test, and successfully let's send. Email successfully sent. Good working. Let's refresh this page. Successfully 3 number is a user. 3 number means 3 number is a select. This 3 number is a available this user. This 3 number and this CC email, subject math and description. This 3 number is available. Let's this number, click this user, and this 3 number is available. This 3 number user @gmail.com. This dynamic is a set. Let's this name is a agent, select this agent. Inside this SI gmail.com goose, and this math goose test, trust and send. Successfully email send, and this refresh this page, and this mail is available. Let's compose mail. This click this compose. Compose successfully set this goose. Good working. This 8 number email ID is available. This 8 number. This email ID is a select. This email ID. This email ID is a select. This available. Good working. This is a fine. Next video is a send this email means Gmail account is a show. Inside this step by step implementation, this email send. Email send. This start and email send end save file. Please writing this all code. Any doubt, so please contact this my official website. Error solution, Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype is available anytime. This contact, and this lost of project is available, and this official channel error solution. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Inside this social media link is available, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub page. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Part 2 is done. Part 3 is email send this mail trap. Thank you.